So a lot of you saw my last two videos and you got nuts. You were like, bro, how easy it is to set up the entire trap and how can we actually hack into someone's Gmail account. So today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to set up your own fake access point. Of course, for education purposes only. And yeah, let's just get into the video. If you have watched my last video, you already know how easy it is to set up this device. And let's just turn this on. Hold the power button for 2-3 seconds and the Bruce firmware will boot up. As you can see, the initial boot up of this firmware. So once Bruce loads, you get all the Wi-Fi tools right there, and you have got a lot of features in this. As in the Wi-Fi menu, you have got connection with Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi AP, Wi-Fi attacks, evil portal, telnet, SSH, many others, even Bruce Kochi, which is mimicking Pornogochi. And for now we will just go to the evil portal option, and here I am selecting the default for now, the default template, because it is simple, clean and gets the job done. So I will keep the SSID name as default, which is free Wi-Fi. And yeah, I know it sounds suspicious, but this is what it is. You can also change it from here, but I will show you an easier way of doing it. Here select the IP address that whatever you want to, and this is how the fake access point is loaded up. That IP was actually a web listener, so we will get back to that. Now let me get my mobile device. Alright, and we will open the Wi-Fi settings here and do a quick scan. And there is our fake Wi-Fi access point. So let me just connect to the fake access point, and it will instantly redirect us to a fake Google login page. Yeah, it is for education purposes only, and don't try this on real networks. So I'm typing in some fake credentials, and let me just show you. And there is nothing when you try to log in to this page. And let's go back to the device, and the credentials here. See, this is very fast. What just happened, it hardly took me 15 to 20 seconds to capture the credentials. And here you can see the email and password that I entered over there. And just remember the IP along with some flags. We will use that listener IP and use this as a network to access the credentials page and how to change SSID name. So now let's just go to the device web server, enter the IP address in your browser, open up your browser. It was 172.0.0.1 and /SSID to change the SSID name. And here I will change the SSID name, like whatever, you can choose whatever you want to. And get back to the Wi-Fi options, scan the network again, and it is this simple. Yep, the new network shows up on my phone, and let's just connect to it. The same login page. Let me just enter the fake credentials again to check if it is working, and password. And yes, now let me check if the device is capturing the credentials. And yeah, number of victim is equal to 2. Let me just focus. Yep, you can see clearly the captured credentials. And now let's go back to the browser and open the credentials page using this as a network. Open up the browser and instead of SSID enter creds. Yep, you can even delete the credentials from here too, but if you want to save or want to check the entire list, you can do whatever you want to do. Now let's get back to the device. Now there are other functions to available for us to attack, and we will look into the other options as well. Again, we will go to evil portal and custom HTML. You can upload your custom HTML code or pages through SD card or the web FTP server that is provided for this device. And here you can change the you can use the buttons to change the SSID name from the device itself, and this is how easy it is to change the name. And again, you can select the default IP, whatever you want to, for listening purposes. And yep, the access point is available. Let me just check that again. Scanning the Wi-Fi network. Here it is. So if you want a custom login page, you can with your own styling, you can do that as well. Now the other features of this device include BLE test, RF functions, RFID, IR, and because this has sensors inbuilt in, and other modules like NRF24. In my previous video, I have actually showed you the module, and we will be working on this in my upcoming next video. As I just need to get few more modules, which unfortunately are impossible to find anywhere right now. If somebody can help me source them, please reach out to me. So, alright. If you want me to build some more projects using the same device, support me at Buy Me a Coffee, and all the links will be provided in the description. Stay safe. Bye.